Hello, tech lovers, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be lecturing us on how to create a calendar. Sometimes you might want to create like a content calendar for yourself, and you don't know how to create a calendar, or you need a digital calendar for yourself where you can note down some stuff. Then this is where I'm here for you. This video, watch to the end as I give you the easy way of creating a calendar for 2025 and also from the scratch. Thank you. So let's get started. I'll come here and I'm going to search 2025 calendar. 2025 calendar. I'm going to enter. It has given us some templates here. We have some templates here. But let's see. Let's check. Let's check out this. So this is a monthly content calendar. So I'm going to customize this, right? And I'm going to change the font of this. We'll change the font. Then this. Yeah. And we're going to customize this. I can change the background color, right? And for this, the border, I don't know, adjust the border. I don't want it in boxes like this. So you click on this. I'm going to change the color of this, right? I'll just change the color of this to white. Okay. I'll change all the colors to white so it can be brighter. I'll change this color. Then I'll change this color too. You can decide to change this yourself. Let's change the it's going to be changed to white. I'm going to add some flowers. Come to elements and click on flowers. So I'm going to click a beautiful. I'm going to click on a beautiful one to use. Let's use this, right? Something like this. So I'm going to duplicate. Right. Move this forward. I can increase the font. And I can make it a straight one, like on a straight line. Yeah. Something like this. I'll change this color to white as well. Then send it to white. Then we'll duplicate to the other side. Duplicate. Take it. Yeah. Rotate it. Duplicate again. We put on top of this space. Let me know if you need these templates. Then I'll send it to you. Okay? I think it's looking beautiful. I'll be right back. Let me just try and do some changes. So tech lovers, I love this design. Can you see? So I'm going to do the same to the remaining design. Then I'll be right back to show us our final look. So, tech lovers, this is the finished lot of our monthly calendar. As you can see, this is really looking nice and beautiful. So we have the month of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, and we're going to create a mock-up with this, right? If you want to make money with this, all you just have to do is I'll show you how to get your templates. You can create like an Etsy shop or create a website or like a Squarespace account, yeah, or a Square account to sell your template. Or perhaps you can open a store, you can create a stand store for your digital products, okay, and you start promoting your templates, this template. So this is the finished end of this product, and at the end of the day I went and I created a mock-up, right? So now let's create a mock-up. Let's see. So this is our mock-up, and we can decide to choose any one that we have. Let me try and take tablets, right? We choose one. Let's see. I'll choose this for now, and I try to upload my product. Let's say upload. This is a downloaded one already, and so this is what we uploaded, and I'm going to click on next. All right, can you see? And it says if you want to adjust, you adjust your top, your middle, or full, or fit. Okay, the ones that, or you want vertical, horizontal, you can do it the way you want it. Okay, so let me adjust it. So as you can see, this is our mockup. You can download this. Let's save it. And we have similar. You can download it or use InDesign. Okay. And you can also save it and put it on your Instagram account to sell your templates. If you need this template, let me know. Then comment below. I will send it to your email. Okay. Or comment below, message me on Instagram, comment below, and I'll send you the template link. Okay. So that you can organize your product. So now we're going to download this, and this is it. Can you see? This is the finished end. So I hope you enjoyed these tutorials. Please kindly like this video and subscribe. You can easily write inside this you can plan your content. As you can see here, you can plan your content, put your topic for the day or your topic for your Instagram account, right? You can have this template if you want. So now to generate your template, I'll come here, then I'll give access. Only you can have access, right? Or I can make the access visible to anyone with my complaint, right? Or to anyone that has this link. Okay, no sign in required. So I can put this and I will copy the link and upload, or I sell it out. I can decide to sell this template out. Okay, so now let's check out how the template is going to look like. So this is the templates, as you can see. So you can adjust this, you can make corrections, you can change the fonts, you can use it the way you want it. You can just make it adjustable the way you like it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed these tutorials. Thank you for watching.